Hi everyone, welcome back to Vijay Academy. In this video, I will be explaining question number 21 to 23 from CBSE model paper. Let us go to question number 21. The question is like this: if 49 times x plus 51 times y equals to 499 and 51 times x plus 49 times y equals 501, then find the values of x and y. So this question is from linear equations in two variables. So we can use any method, that is substitution method, elimination method. So here, especially when you get the equations like this, that is the numerical coefficient of x from the first equation and the numerical coefficient of y in the second equation are equal. At the same time, the numerical coefficient of y in the first equation and the numerical coefficient of x in the second equation, if these are same, then we can easily solve them by adding them once and subtracting them once. You will get two more equations with the numerical coefficients of x and y as 1 each. So with the help of them you can solve and find the values of x and y. So let us see that now. So let us add these two equations first. So let me add equation, that is first equation 49x plus 51y equals 499 and 51x plus 49y equals 501. So let us add these two equations, taking them as equation 1 and 2. Now by adding 49x and 51x we get 100 times x. Adding 51y plus 49y we get 100 times y equals to 499 plus 501 we get 1000. Now we have a common factor for all the three terms. The highest common factor is 100. So let us divide this equation by 100. So dividing 100x by 100 we get x plus 100 times y by 100 we get y and 1000 by 100 you get 10. So take this as equation number 3. Similarly, let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let us subtract it. 49x plus 51y equals 499 minus of 51x plus 49y equals 501. Since we are subtracting them, let us change the signs and add them. So plus 51x will become minus 51x, plus 49y becomes minus 49y, and plus 501 becomes minus 501. So 49x minus 51x is minus 2x. 51y minus 49y is plus 2y equals 499 minus 501 is minus 2. So again we have a common factor in this equation in all the terms, that is 2 or minus 2. You can divide this by either 2 or minus 2. So let us divide this by minus 2. So we get minus 2x by minus 2 is plus x. Then 2y divided by minus 2 is minus y equals minus 2 divided by minus 2 is plus 1. So take this as equation number 4. Now look at the equation number 3 and equation number 4. We got the variables with the numerical coefficients 1 each. Now it is very easy for us to simplify using elimination method. So look at the variables y. In both the case it is plus y and minus y. So by adding equation 3 and 4 we can easily eliminate y and we get the value of x. So let us add the equation 3 and 4. On adding equation 3 and 4, we get x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 1. So let us add them. We get x plus x is 2x and plus y and minus y will become 0, which is equals to 10 plus 1 11. So we get x is equals to 11 by 2. So this is the value of x. Now to find the value of y, substitute x equals 11 by 2 in either of the equations 3 or 4. So let me substitute this in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is x plus y equals 10. So let me substitute the value of x. So we get 11 by 2 plus y equals 10, and then transpose 11 by 2 to RHS. You get y equals 10 minus 11 by 2, and take the LCM of 1 and 2. We get 2, and then rewrite the numerator. Here 1 into 2 is 2, therefore 10 into 2 is 20. 20 minus 11, we get y equals to 9 by 2. So the values of x and y are 11 by 2 and 9 by 2. Yeah, let us go to question number 22. So it is given that in the given figure below, AD by AE equals to AC by BD. So here AD by AE, AD is the length of line segment of larger triangle, AE is the line segment of smaller triangle. And next we have AC, AC is the length of line segment of larger triangle, and it is given BD, AC by BD. And angle angle 1 equals to angle 2. So using this information, we have to show that triangle BAE is similar to triangle CAD. So first let us write the given information. Here the given information is, that is AD by AE equals to AC by BD, and angle 1 equals to angle 2. And using this, we have to prove that triangle BAE similar to triangle CAD. So now looking at this proportionality, we have two pairs of sides are in equal ratio. So we can try to use SAS criteria here. So let us try to use SAS criteria, but BD is not a part of the smaller triangle, that is the triangle BAE. BD is not a part of either of the triangles, that is BAE and CAD. So now let us try to convert this BD into the side of triangle ABE. So let us see how is that possible. So in the proof, see, look at the triangle BAE. In the triangle BAD, we know that angle A and angle D are equal. So we have the isosceles triangle theorem. It says that the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So in triangle BAD, we can write that AB is equal to BD. The reason is angle A is equal to angle D. Now we can use this property to apply the SAS similarity criteria. So now let us try to prove the triangle similar. So let me write that in triangle BAE and triangle CAD, from these two triangles, let us try to show the measurements equal and the proportionality. So as it is given, AD by AE is equal to AC by AB. So let us replace BD into AB. We came to know that AB is equal to BD from the isosceles triangle property. So now we have from these two triangles, from the triangle BAE, and the triangle CAD, from these two triangles we have a common angle, that is angle A. So now we can write that angle A is equal to angle A, which is the common angle for both the triangles. Now we have showed that two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional and the included angle is equal. So we can show that we can write that the triangle BAE is similar to triangle CAD. Let us go to question number 23. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Find angle AQB. Find angle AQB given that PA and PB are tangents to the circle and angle APB is equal to 75 degree. So it is given that PA and PB are the tangents of the circle. Angle APB is equal to 75 degree. Using so much information, we have to find the angle AQB. So now let us compare the angle AOB and AQB. So what is the relation between angle AOB and angle AQB? Angle AOB and angle AQB, both of them are subtended by the same arc AB. So look at the arc AB. So both angle AOB and AQB are subtended by the arc AB. So angle AQB is subtended by the arc AB. Angle AQB is subtended by the arc AB at a point on the circle. That is Q. And angle AOB is subtended by the same arc AB at the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So now we have a relation between AOB and AQB. That is, you have learned this in the 9th standard. There is a theorem called the angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at any point on a circle. Is half of the angle subtended by the same arc at the center. So for example, if you take the angle AOB as x, then the angle AQB will be x divided by 2. So with this relation we can find the angle AQB if you know the angle AOB. So let us try to get the angle AOB first. Let us try to find the angle AOB. Now how this angle AOB is related to angle APB? So we can apply the angle sum property of the quadrilateral PAOB. So we can write that in quadrilateral PAOB, let us apply the angle sum property, that is angle APB plus angle PAO plus angle AOB plus angle OBP is equal to 360 degree. Write that angle sum property, the reason. Now let us substitute all the known values. Angle APB is 75 degree. Angle PAO is 90 degree because that is the angle between the radius and tangent, 90 degree. And angle AOB, we don't know that. And angle OBP also is 90 degree. The same reason, angle between the radius and tangent is equal to 360. So on adding 75, 90 and 90, we get 180 plus 75, which is 255. 255 plus angle AOB is equal to 360, and now you write that angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 255, that is angle AOB is equal to 105 degree. Now after you get the angle AOB, that is 105 degree, let us find the angle AQB. So now we can write that directly, angle AQB is equal to half the angle AOB, and write this reason over here, the theorem. Then substitute angle AOB, half into 105 degree, which is equal to 52.5 degree, that is angle AQB. So thank you very much, children, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos on CBSE sample papers. Thank you.